All right, boys and girls, the technique we're going to talk about today is called dropping a reader into a scene. So rather than ease our reader in with a couple introductory sentences of, in this essay, I'm going to tell you about elephants or sea cucumbers or whatever, you just kind of drop them right in there. The benefit of doing this is you can engage the reader a little better, and it can enhance your writing. So let's try it. We're going to use the Mentor text. This is from the New York Times Mentor text series. You can find the full link to the essay on our website. We are just going to use the template and look at that for now. So the introductory sentence, the first sentence of the essay is, 10 minutes after meeting my future mother-in-law, I was wearing only underwear and socks. Whoa. So does that get your attention? Good, because it's supposed to. So let's just experiment with this technique. And I went ahead and used this template. Thank you, Anjali. This is my time period. So let's look at the first sentence. 10 minutes after meeting my future mother-in-law, comma. So you could say 30 minutes after meeting my brother, 10 seconds after beating my brother in a race, 2 years after meeting my favorite puppy. I don't know. Go crazy. So I went with this. 30 minutes after learning about my grandmother, comma. So my time after is key. I'm the person, my grandmother, comma. And then the thing that happened as a result of that thing. And remember that second part of the sentence, we want it to be kind of surprising and shock our reader. We're dropping them right in the cold water. And I said, I had a plane ticket to visit her in North Carolina. Easy. So try these. Try just a couple sentences just like this, where you're only writing an introductory sentence. See what that feels like. If you grab onto something that you're really into, go ahead and keep developing it and see what sort of story comes out of it. If you really like what you ended up with, send me what you've got. We can give you some feedback. Or if you don't love it, that's okay too. But do go ahead and practice. All right, let me know if you have any questions, and good luck.